It spewed fire when we dug into it and had buried thousands of people beyond our reach.
All we saw was steel, and I didn't know how we were going to get below that. Like, how are we going to find anybody in this?
You know, and you get up on this pile and you're digging with a shovel or you're digging with a pickaxe or something like that. Your attempts seem futile. And, you know, it's like a drop in the bucket.
But you believed in your heart there was somebody down there. And if you could have found one person, you know, that was well worth it.
Water! Need more water!
Whatever risk you were putting yourself at, just to find anybody, that's what drives the guys.
Try to get some buckets back here.
We'd clear what we could by hand, and the iron workers would come in, cut the steel beams, and lift them out. Then we'd just start digging again.
You have 2 110-story office buildings. You don't find a desk. You don't find a chair. You don't find a telephone, a computer. The biggest piece of a telephone I found was half of the keypad, and it was about this big. The building collapsed to dust. How are we supposed to find anybody in this that there's nothing left of the building?
Bucket!